Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 52 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series Batman from our good old mates over at Fanhome. Now, you want to grab this for yourself and build along with me? Follow this link to the Fanhome website all the way along there. There's a clickable version in the description just below, and you too can be building this iconic 1/8 scale Batmobile along with me, folks. So let's have a quick scoop through the magazine, see what we got this week. This is the TV show, Dishonour of the Penguin's back, happy days. You then got Great Batman Comics, the origin of Harley Quinn, her appearances started. 1986 there, The Dark Knight Returns was a groundbreaking work and story. Still has an impact on the Dark Knight's epic mythology. Happy days. More info there, year by year. Bit of a dry slap bin issued there by the look of that. Have you one of them? All the symbology, cartoons. Looks quite aggressive there, doesn't he? Big old poke in the chops there, the Superman even. He says, here, Superman, wait, I'm going to slap the taste out your mouth, mate. Boom, get hold of that. Next up, we got the wheel arches, folks. We're going to need our chassis section from previous issues, and we got L&R written on there so that you can't get them muddled up. And we're putting the rear wheel wells on. Get your words out, Cole. And that's how they're going to look. And that's how your Batmobile is going to look at the end of this issue, with your wheel wells going onto this nice sexy floor pan. Okay, so that's what we're up to. So we got our bits just here, like so, and they're marked up right, obviously, and left for left. So we'll be putting them on. We'll open up our screws ready, because once the chassis is on here, she's taking up a lot of real estate now, bless her. So, yeah. So we'll just pop them to one side. We'll put one of the screws on the screwdriver with a bit of oil ready. And we can start popping this together for you, peeps. Big little bit of oil like so. There you go. There you go. But she's growing, isn't she? She really is growing, folks. So fingers crossed. We should be able to reach the sides we want. So we're going in somewhat like so. Okay. Just so happy I grabbed the right one there and pop the screw in like so. Nice simple fit. Just let it nip, not fully tightening just yet, because if I do need to make any adjustments, I can at this stage. Little drop of oil there, and then we can press this down, pop the screw in, and then that'll only leave me the middle one to do then. So we can now hone this, because it's pressed it down into that shape like that. And then we've got another tab just there. So let's, nice big drop of oil there, and we'll do that. Piece in there. Happy days. And then we'll do the same this side. So just bring that closer to me. I should, in theory, be able to do that from here, just like that. Same process, grab a screw, a little bit of oil, like so, and then pop the screw in. Not fully tightening them yet, folks. Just so that if I need to do any adjustments where it comes over both them joins on the floor, I can then just press it in place and let it conform, and then come back and then tighten everything up. But it seems to be going according to plan. So we can home that one. We can now home that rear one. Like so. And then we can pull the middle one in as well. Bop. There you go. So that, my friends, is the rear wheel wells in place. That's what that's going to give you now. It's just closed off underneath there, nice and neat. And we're now starting to form the contours of the Batmobile. And I think she's coming together really well. She's looking nice and clean, crisp and very elegant. So that's what you're going to have with your Batmobile on your benches. All nod accordingly. Yes, Vesta. And then we can now start thinking about future issues. I think we're going to have some electricity and boards and stuff and battery boxes coming. Speakers and switches. We're getting into the guts, working our way along. So, to help me out, folks, if you could just click that little festa just there and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really means a lot. Ring the bell whilst you're there to be notified of upcoming content. Also, head over to the Fanhome website by clicking this link. It's in the description below. And you can take out a subscription to this iconic 1/8 scale Batmobile and be building along with me, folks. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.